Trump says every American could get $2,000 checks. But before you start planning a shopping spree, let's break this down like clear, quick, and no political smoke. Imagine America as a big family household, 330 million people under one roof. Dad, the president, just announced everyone's getting $2,000 from the money we earned selling lemonade to other countries. Sounds amazing, right? But the family still has a massive $38 trillion mortgage. The fridge is half empty, and the neighbors, Congress, still have to agree before any money leaves the house. 5 things you need to know about the $2,000 tariff stimulus check. Number 1, it's a promise, not a payment yet. Trump officially confirmed the plan, saying a dividend of at least $2,000 a person will be paid. That's a commitment, but it still needs Congress to vote, like mom and dad both signing the check before anyone gets cash. Number 2, the money source equals tariff revenue. He says the $2,000 will come from money made by tariffs, fees from imported goods. Number 2, the money source equals tariff revenue. Think of it like charging your neighbors to buy your lemonade. It's income, but it's not infinite. Tariffs only bring in about $380 billion a year, while the country overspends by $2 trillion. Number 3, inflation is the elephant in the room. Sending $2,000 checks to everyone sounds generous, but it can make prices jump again, like when too many kids grab candy and suddenly the store doubles prices. Number 4, Congress has to approve it. Even if Trump signs off, Congress controls the family wallet. They need to agree, and some lawmakers will say, we can't afford more candy right now. Number 5, timing depends on the economy. If 2026 hits hard, job losses, recession, factory cuts, the check could move faster. Desperate times bring desperate measures. But if the economy stays steady, this check might stay in the maybe someday pile. So before you count that $2,000, remember, America's family budget has to balance. If the house keeps overspending, even free money comes with a cost. This is why financial literacy matters more than politics. Whether checks come or not, you control how prepared you are. So don't hold your breath for this $2,000. Wait on Washington to fix your wallet. Build systems that turn every dollar into a decision. That's the difference between living check to check and living by design. Have question? We have answers. Click the link below in the comments and take the AI Legacy Blueprint Money Audit Quiz. When you know better, you build better. Let's build better together. If you received value from this video, comment 2000 and let's win together.